Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak about Nasiruddin Ahmed. He was born on 25th of December 1889 in Kulia village in Burdwan, which in present day is in West Bengal. He did his schooling from Hooghly Collegiate School and Burdwan Raj School. He obtained law degree from Ripon College, which was attached to University of Calcutta. He practiced at Calcutta High Court and subsequently before the Federal Court in India. He became public prosecutor for the Burdwan district, a post which he held up to 1928. He was secretary of Burdwan Mohammedan Association. He was the founder editor of Burdwan Wani, a weekly Bengali newspaper. He became member of Bengal Legislative Council. He was elected to Constituent Assembly on Muslim League ticket from West Bengal. He spoke on various issues in the Constituent Assembly, like he believed that modern India could not have just one official language. He argued against the reservations for Muslim in the legislatures. He also expressed that drafting committee is actually a drifting committee making changes in the last minute without the approval of the assembly. He spoke on the concept of democracy. We will just see what he spoke on this issue. 27th of October 1949, quote, Mr. President, sir, the eloquent work of Acharya Kriplani requires one explanation. It seems to think, and I speak with great respect, that the success of democracy depends upon introduction of some sweet and palatable words in constitution. I, however, submit that the success of democracy depends on how it is practically worked. It has nothing to do whatever with what we may state in the preamble or in the constitution. On the actual working of democracy, its success depends, unquote. So these were his views as to what is a democracy. He passed away on 17th of October 1949. We are grateful for his contribution in making the Constitution of India. Thank you.